Hello guys, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So welcome to Textbook Regulatory Bodies. I hope I'm clearly audible and visible to all of you. So quickly join in so that we can start our today's discussion. All right. So from today onwards, we are going to start with our SEBI Grade A 2025 official preparation. So here we will that is your management, right? So I hope I'm clearly audible and visible to all of you. So quickly join in so that we can start our today's discussion. ठीक है तो कैसे हैं सब लोग everyone? So when it comes to costing and accounting, these two subjects which are very important. Third one is company law, and you have to be very careful around these particular subject because they are kind of a game changer in exam like SEBI or PFRD and others. So first you have to work on the concept part because like let's say if you're good with the concepts and others, okay, so you can easily able to handle the overall the level of question or the different level of questions and all. In phase 1 paper 2 usually you'll get straightforward question and all, but in paper 2 of phase 2 the question will be applied in case studies and others. Okay, so what basically statement based question and all. So the only thing is like if you're good with the concept part, so you can easily handle all type of question and all, right? So here from today onwards we will be regularly doing these particular sessions, and you can participate in these particular session for the questions and all again, and so that is definitely going to help you out in this particular case. Okay, तो सबसे पहले आपका जितने भी candidates यहाँ पे जुड़े हुए हैं, ठीक है, very good evening to all of you. Siddharth sir, very good evening. How are you? So today onwards we will be discussing around the costing things. Basically we will be practicing areas related to costing, and then आपका commerce and accounting, then management. 3 session in a week. We will be doing 3 session in a week, and you can ask your n number of doubts, queries and all. Okay, so if you are facing any challenges, you can do let me know. So I'll try my best to help you out with those particular queries. The again I'm telling you this thing कि concepts are the key, right? So अभी पिछले like people they have given PFRDA recently, ठीक है. So the competition level will be high in SEBI Grade A examination because people are very well prepared for this one also. And apart from this, apart from that area, the subject like commerce accounting and your costing and company law, ठीक है, ये थोड़ा सा difference create करेंगे because ESI and management and finance people are very well prepared with RBI things and all, right? तो yes, हाँ सिद्धार्थ सर ऑल गुड. चलो तो shall we start guys? Shall we start our today's discussion? तो थोड़ा सा मैं आपके लिए बढ़िया से क्वेश्चन बना करके लेके आया हूँ, ठीक है. So and if you like if you are having any doubt related to these particular areas and all, do let me know. So I'll try to address those particular queries. The first question is around which of the following statement is true about cost accounting? One another thing, like when you prepare exam like SEBI Grade A and PFRDA, so your preparation should be toward phase 2. Okay? So paper 2 you have to prepare for phase 2 level, so phase 1 will automatically get covered. You have enough time, तो इस जो भी आपको टाइम मिला इसमें कॉन्सेप्ट भी बहुत अच्छे से बन सकते हैं और कहीं ना कहीं आपके जो प्रिपरेशन है उसको भी बहुत अच्छे से आपका किया जा सकता है, ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन, हु विल आंसर दिस वन गाइस? So we have 3 statement, and out of these 3 statement you have to find out the right statement. First, cost accounting help in determining the cost of each product and service rendered. For an organization producing multiple product, cost accounting is simple as each product have a same cost. One objective of cost accounting is to eliminate all form of wastage in the production process and all. Okay? So what we have to find out in this particular case, we have to find out the true statement. Okay? So what will be your correct answer? First statement, cost accounting help in determining cost of each product and services. Let's say we are manufacturing this particular marker and this particular product. Okay? So while we do the costing help us to determine the estimated cost, which is also known as standard cost. Let's say your standard cost, the variables are raw material, we have your labor charges and manufacturing overheads. Let's say raw material 50 rupees, labor charges 30 rupees, manufacturing overheads आपका 20 rupees. It is estimated cost. So estimated cost of this particular product is 100 rupees. Now based on this particular estimation, we will set the prices. Let's say our competitors are selling at 150, so we decided our selling price is 130 rupees, right? That means we are keeping a margin of 30 rupees per product. Now this is your estimation standard cost. Then we compare with the actual cost. Suppose that the actual cost of these three elements which are part of the standard costing, okay? So let's say it is आपका 55 rupees, it is supposed at 35 rupees, and it is supposed at 20. So your actual cost is 110. Now the difference between standard cost and actual cost, that is called variance, and we have a negative variance of आपका 10 rupees. So now your cost reached to this particular one. So this will impact your profit margin. Earlier it was 30 rupees. Now it will come down to 20 rupees. And this is the one thing. Then we'll do the root cause analysis. What is the reason behind this negative variance? And there will be a proper assigned accountability for that particular variance as well, right? So this is something which is the uses of cost. Based on these particular things also, we decide the your break even points. Here we decide break even points, we decide margin of safety. Okay, so these are some areas also you get to know, or the overall profitability and all. So that is the importance of cost that make the statement 1 true. Statement 2 आपका, for organization producing multiple product, costing is bit complex. ठीक है, here we producing one marker, so this is the one. If you are producing 10 markers, 10 different product, marker आपका this remote, आपका board or others, every product have different input and outputs, so that will be bit complex. So you cannot say it is आपका simple. This make this statement wrong. One of the objective of cost accounting is to eliminate all wastage. So we cannot eliminate all wastage first of all. Okay. So our motive is आपका to maximize the return from the employed assets and others, but we cannot eliminate all this. The major objective of this particular one is to align these one, and even like let's say if there is high competition in the market, or if these competitors are decreasing their prices, or if there is some recession in the economy, so how to deal with those particular areas, that is the another one, right? So I'll not go with this. Only A means आपका statement A should be right answer for this particular question. Got it guys? समझ में आया सबको? ठीक है? Yes, हाँ. So Ranjana is saying आपका option C, and Siddharth sir is also saying C. ठीक है? You both are wrong here. चलो, तो क्या होगा आपका correct answer? This statement incorrect, because cost accounting is aimed to minimize wastage. ठीक है? Not necessarily it will eliminate the all costs. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा you have to work on the fundamental parts and others. You'll get it right. So the first question is related to phase 2. Mostly you can expect आपका statement based question or application or the numericals. Phase 1 mostly you will see questions around the आपका half marker question and all. ठीक है? Accuracy and the number of attempts will matter a lot. ठीक है? तो आपका जैसे not a primary objective of the cost accounting. So what will be your correct answer? बताओ, इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर बताओ, बहुत आसान है ये सबके लिए. ठीक है? So what will be your correct answer for this one? Not an objective of cost accounting. So what will be your correct answer? So determining the cost of goods and services, अभी हमने बात किया with this marker. ठीक है? आपका enhancing financial reporting for external stakeholders, reducing wastage of material and other resources. ठीक है? Yes. Providing decision making support to management. This statement is wrong. ठीक है? So when it comes to financial reporting, this is driven by the आपका financial accounting. ठीक है? Financial accounting means accounting standards. ठीक है? When you study that commerce and accounting, you'll get to know about all these particular things. ठीक है? So that is cost accounting. The users are mainly internal. ठीक है? Users are internal means managers or the other आपका they generally take data from the cost accounting, and we do different set of decision making with the help of cost accounting. ठीक है? So it can enhancing others to this. It is not part of this particular one. So B will be right answer for this particular question. Correct? Hai? So key objective determining the cost of goods and services for pricing decision as we did 130 we keep the price for this one. Reducing wastage आपका ठीक है. Supporting or minimizing wastage ठीक है. Supporting managerial decision making and others they are generally part of this particular one. ठीक है. The next one which generally belongs to the your आपका that generally belongs to financial accounting not to the cost accounting. Next question guys. Which of the following statement is true about cost accounting? चलो one more question around this. एक बार try कीजिए सब लोग ठीक है. First, try at least give your some efforts. Do not worry about the right and wrong answers. ठीक है. So we all are here for learning purpose. ठीक है. So just go through the things and try to answer. ठीक है. The first statement, cost accounting involve identifying, measuring, recording, allocating, and communicating economic information related to product or services. The concept of cost accounting was not relevant during the industrial revolutions because market was simpler. Okay. Cost accounting helped management in deciding the price of product, reducing wastage, and developing strategies during the intense competition also. All these particular facts which we have discussed just now. So what will be your correct answer? आपका statement 1 is true because it is आपका help us in identifying, measuring, allocating and communicating the economic benefit related to product and services. Second one, the concept आपका the concept of cost accounting was majorly arise during the industrial revolution, the Fordism and all. So during that period, the primary focus was machine and how to reduce cost so we can sell product at a lower price. So that was the main goal during that particular period, right? So this is the one thing. So सबसे ज़्यादा जो industrial revolution था उस दौरान आपका ये develop हुआ. Cost accounting help management in deciding price of product as we did, reducing wastage, developing strategies during intense competition. Like let's say we our product is selling at competitors are selling at 150, we launch at 130, we did some sort of price penetration. Now after once our product is getting some reach, they also reduce their prices to 130. So now what is other alternates for us? Okay, so how we can minimize the cost and how we can further reduce the prices in other areas. So that is the one. ठीक है. अब ऐसा भी नहीं कि इतना reduce करेंगे कि you enter into a loss or you won't be able to meet your break even numbers or break even points and all. So in those cases this help us a lot. So 1 in 3 आपका 1 in 3 means statement option A will be right answer for this particular question, right? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next one. Please go through this particular question guys. Which of the following statement about different costing methods? Okay. Though we will be having a dedicated session around the costing methods. I hope you heard about the process costing, batch costing, unit costing, okay, job costing, contract costing, standard costing, marginal costing, absorption costing, okay, activity based costing. There are so many different methods. Okay. Out of these, standard and marginal costing are very important one, okay, because they have specifically mentioned in your curriculum and even they are mostly used in businesses itself, right? So here they have given job costing, they have given batch costing and process costing. Okay, so when it comes to job costing and batch costing, job costing is generally assigned or used for a where we have to deliver a product as per the specifications or the requirement of the customer. Let's say there is a building, we are doing some interior work in this particular building. ठीक है. So these are two different buildings आपका जहाँ पे हम interior कर रहे हैं. One is like they are asking for the very simple amenities. ठीक है. बहुत आपका simple सा उन्होंने interior का requirement दिया है. Another one is like that fancy kitchen, fancy bedrooms, wardrobes, everything is like design and all. So as per the job assigned, we generally decide the costing and others, and it is fully based on the requirement of the customers. So that is your job costing, which is related to specific job. When it comes to batch costing, this is generally useful for things where we generally produce a product in a आपका batches, like pharmaceutical companies. ठीक है. Let's say there is a pharmaceutical company who manufacture Dolo or any आपका जैसे बहुत सारे अलग अलग दवाइयाँ आती है ना, so they generally, or even some biscuit manufacturing company, chips manufacturing company, toffee manufacturing company, so where they are generally producing things in multiple आपका in a particular batch they are producing आपका n number of items and all, so total batch cost divided by number of unit will be your आपका unit per cost in that case. Process costing, which is generally for the where goods are manufactured in multiple process, ठीक है, like जैसे जो refineries आपकी होती हैं, ठीक है, like oil refineries and all, तो where first process, completion of first process will be raw material for the second, it will be raw material for third आपका, ठीक है, so we are entering raw material from here to we are reaching to the finished goods and all, ठीक है, so that is your process costing. Now based on these one, so job costing is used when costs are assigned to a specific job or order, such as constructing a building or repairing an automobile. True है, ठीक है. Second statement, batch costing is appropriate when a company produce single product. No, for single product we have unit costing, ठीक है, single आपका we have unit costing. Here we are producing things in batches आपका, ठीक है, continuous and is interested in this, no. Process costing is used when production involve distinct stages like stage 1, 2, 3, and the output of one stage become input for the next one, ठीक है, like all refineries and others, so that is generally part of this. So option 1 and 3 will be right answer for this one, means आपका option A will be correct answer, sorry C, okay, I guess I did some mistake in this one, ठीक है. Service costing, this answer is different, huh? Sorry, ठीक है, the question is different, answer is different, ठीक है, for sure A will be right answer for this one, ठीक है, so these two are correct, please do avoid this one, huh? All right, get it guys, any doubt, if you are having any doubt please do let me know. Next one, how does cost accounting assist management in strategic decision making? तो जो cost accounting है वो किस तरीके से help कर रहा है आपका managers को to make decision about the business activities and all. So by ensuring compliances with statutory financial reporting, no, this is आपका financial accounting. By analyzing cost structure to eliminate unprofitable product and optimize production. By providing mandatory financial statement, no, financial accounting. Standardizing taxation, no, ठीक है, तो ऑप्शन बी will be right answer. Very simple question आपका, ठीक है, तो ऑप्शन बी will be right answer for this particular one, right? Next one, which of the following is not an advantages of cost accounting, ठीक है, not an advantages of cost accounting. So what will be a correct answer? It help in setting competitive prices as we did with our product. It ensures statutory compliances with tax regulation and external reporting. So this is comes under the financial accounting, not आपका not, it is not related to cost accounting. Identify inefficiencies in operation leading to better resources utilization. It provides management with relevant data for the cost reduction and profitability. So option B will be right answer for this particular question as well, right? Next one. If you are having any doubt, please do let me know your queries also, so I can address those particular point. ठीक है, अब हमारा मुलाकात रोज होगा, ठीक है, every day like 8 p.m. we will be doing आपका session around the SEBI examination. So every day you will get different subject. Out of your 6 subject, 3 subject are belongs to my area, so like costing, accounting and management. So I will be taking care around these 3 subject. ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next one. Which of the following is the primary objective of cost accounting standard issued by Cost Accounting Standard Board in India? ठीक है, so like I hope you heard about the financial accounting. So as for financial accounting, we have accounting standards. ठीक है, आप लोगों ने नाम सुना होगा. So for like for this one we have ICAI and we have Accounting Standard Board. ठीक है, so we have 29 accounting standards mandatory basically, and 3 are optional. तो वैसे ही while we prepare our balance sheet and profit and loss account and cash flow statement, we have to follow accounting standard. Similarly, while we accounting the cost of a product or services, how we should account that particular one, for that one we have cost accounting standard. ठीक है, cost accounting standards which are generally आपका framed by the cost accounting standard board. ठीक है, so which is something, the idea was कि to create some sort of uniformity, ठीक है, like similar set of businesses they should account their cost in a similar way, right? So we have 24 cost accounting standards which are generally, like as of now, which are generally notified by the CMA institution. Okay? So the question is, issued cost accounting standard following primary objective of this to estimate, to establish uniformity and consistency in the measurement of the reporting. So similar objective for we have for the आपका accounting standard also. So same is here also. ठीक है? So like जैसे when you'll come to the accounting standard, same things you will get for that particular one. So here cost accounting standard board was established by ICAI to create a Institute of Cost Accounting of India, ठीक है? Uniformity in cost measurement, classification and assignment of cost. Like whenever companies, let's say there is a company who is preparing a cost sheet, so how they should account raw material, how they should आपका note down that employee benefits or आपका capital expenditure. So all these things are defined under these different cost accounting things, right? सो द इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट इन इंडिया, जो सीएमए लोगों के जितने भी एग्जामिनेशन होते हैं यहाँ से होते हैं, ठीक है, रिकॉग्नाइजिंग द नीड फॉर स्ट्रक्चर्ड अप्रोच टू measurement of cost manufacturer and service sector and to provide guidance to the user organization, government bodies, regulator, research agencies and academic institute to achieve uniformity and consistency in classification, measurement, assignment of cost to product and services has constituted आपका cost accounting standard board. So far we have 24 cost accounting standards, generally accepted cost accounting principle, 9 guiding notes and 2 आपका 9 guiding notes on cost accounting standard, 2 guiding notes on treatment of cost related to CSR, corporate social responsibility and construction contract आपका, because construction contract is something like where project get completed in 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. So accordingly how they should recognize the revenue and other आपका, that is generally part of this particular one. ठीक है? Next one, which of the following is not a benefit of implementing cost accounting standard in an organization? So ensuring uniformity and consistency, enhancing cost transparency for the managerial decision, eliminating the need. No, they does not eliminate the need of financial. That is completely different from this one. Providing standardized framework for cost allocation and all. These are the others are the benefits of your cost accounting standards also, right? Next one. Okay. So now apart from cost accounting, we have management accounting also. We have financial accounting. Financial accounting is basically your accounting standard. Management accounting, when it comes to management accounting, this is something like managers of an organization, they are using cost accounting, financial accounting and other financial model like ratios and all to make decision or strategic decision about the business. Okay? So, and one thing, it is not mandatory by any law and we do not have any defined or prescribed standards for the management accounting. ठीक है, जैसे कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग के लिए 24 है, फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग के लिए अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स आपके हैं, या इंडियन कॉन्टेक्स्ट में इंडियन अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं, ठीक है, 39 जो अभी एग्जिस्टेंस में है, पहले 41 हुआ करते थे, ठीक है. बट हियर आपका मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग इज समथिंग which is for the internal purpose of the business. Users is done by the internal stakeholder of the business. They are using cost and management accounting along with some ratio analysis to make decision about the overall, to improve the overall efficiency of business. That is your management accounting. Now the question is, consider the following statement around the management accounting. तो एक बार try कीजिए आप लोग. Yes, Akhil sir is saying आपका C should be right answer for this one. Let's check आपका. So we have 3 statement. Management accounting primarily focus on providing information for external stakeholders like this wrong. पहला ही statement आपका wrong है. Management accounting for the internal managerial purpose आपका, ठीक है. It is not for the external stakeholders, shareholders, debtors, creditors. No. The scope of management accounting is wider than the financial accounting and cost accounting. Yes, 100%, because it is using financial and cost accounting as a tool to make decision. Yes, 100% true. The main goal of the main objective of management accounting is to help management in formulating strategies, planning, controlling activities and making decision, 100% true. So 2 and 3, what we have to find out correct, 2 and 3 means आपका option B will be right answer for this particular one. Very good Akhil sir, awesome. Okay. So option B will be right answer for this one. If you are having any doubt, please do mention in the comment section. ठीक है, अच्छा ओके, हाँ ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, ठीक है. इफ यू हैविंग एनी डाउट, एनी सिंगल कुछ भी ऐसा आपको जहाँ पे लग रहा है कि दिस इज समथिंग विच यू आर going through for the very first time and all, so I'll try to explain that particular one. Please do mention into the comment section. ठीक है, तो हमारा आंसर क्या होगा, बी होगा, बिल्कुल सही है. पहला इनकरेक्ट. व्हेन इट कम्स टू मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग, इट प्रोवाइड or it focus information which is generally used by the internal management. ठीक है, and the two statements are right here. correct है. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. next one, correct regarding the differences between cost and management accounting. ठीक है, now you have to differentiate cost and management accounting. Now we have gone through cost as well as I have given you a basic introduction to management accounting also. So let's try first. एक बार आप लोग try करो, then I'll explain one by one. बताइए अखिल सर, क्या होगा आंसर? Other people also try. शुरू करें. So first, cost accounting mainly deal with the ascertainment, allocation, accounting of cost, whereas management accounting focus more on the impact and effect aspect of the cost. 100% true है. ठीक है, तो cost accounting में क्या होता है, like how we should allocate cost so that we can minimize the wastage and we can produce or manufacture that particular product at best prices. ठीक है, and we can, that is linked with कि हाँ, how we'll sell the product and other kind of things and all. When it comes to management accounting, it is the outcome of the cost accounting. ठीक है, so these are the numbers. Then interpretation is generally done with the help of आपका with the help of cost accounting. ठीक है, sorry, in the management accounting first. So the second statement, management accounting is primarily concerned with short term. No, when management accounting is making decision where like they, which include short term as well as long term. ठीक है, कि if we are coming up with a product, if this is the cost, so down the line 2 years 3 years, how much, like this is the market which we are going to capture and how we'll achieve the break even numbers and others. So that is generally part of this one. So this is wrong आपका. Management accounting use additional tool like ratio analysis, fund flow statements, which are not used in this one. ठीक है, so what I told you in the beginning कि when it comes to management accounting, it include cost accounting, financial modeling like ratio analysis and others, they get used in this one. So this statement is also true आपका. ठीक है, तो 1 in 3 means आपका option B should be right answer for this particular question. ठीक है, sir will be the covering the cost MCQs and not from the हाँ, see we will be here actually we do not have that much of time कि आपका that concept part and others. ठीक है, so concept part I have done one set in master classes. Sir, if you are like, let's say if you are lacking in the concept part, because concepts are must. अगर आपको concept नहीं आता है तो there will be challenges. So first what I can suggest you can follow the master classes and even I can arrange a special set of session for the costing things and all. That is not an issue. And when it comes to these particular session, because I'll be getting only one session in a week, so that I cannot cover. If I'll start doing with the concept things and all, it will take आपका that much time. So that this is the restrictions of that particular one. So what you can do, whoever is facing the issue with the costing or the concept related things and all, you can approach. Or else, like what you can do, you can watch through the videos and all, and then you can come up with your queries. That is the things what I can do. I can address your questions or whatever challenges you are facing. So I'll try to address those particular one. ठीक है sir, चलो तो what will be your correct answer? आपका yes. तो अखिल sir, what will be your correct answer? B will be right answer. What you have mentioned A. ठीक है. So this statement is also true. The third statement, because it is management accounting is something which has a broader aspect where we are using all the related financial information so that we can use that data for the overall decision making and all. All right. चलो चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Yes. So option B, the only incorrect statement, cost accounting focus on short term planning, management आपका short term long term all generally part of this particular, because managerial decision can be short term also or it can be long term also. All right, understood guys? Any doubt on this particular one? If you are having any doubt, please do let me know so I can handle those one. So next question. Okay, so this is it. So this was our very first practice. Now one kind of homework. Let's say if you have already prepared this particular subject, so there are topic, you know the keywords and others. Though I'll be following the sequential things. What you can do, you can mention the areas where you are facing challenges. Let's say in cost accounting, you are facing issues with marginal costing, standard costing, or lean costing, or आपका the different type of costing methods and others. So just do let me know in the comment section कि where you are facing challenge. So on those particular topic, I can come up with more and more questions. ठीक है, वो एक आपका help हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Yes. Not ratio analysis is tool of financial. No, देखो, see what is the core of management accounting, Akhil sir. When it comes to management accounting, it does not have any limitation. Basically, what management accounting is doing, they are using cost accounting and financial accounting. ठीक है. You mentioned that statement correctly, but as a management accounting or as a management of any organization, we are using cost as well as आपका financial accounting, so it integrated with that one. But in cost accounting, we are limited to the cost related things and all. ठीक है, so that's why that third statement was right in that case. ठीक है, अखिल सर समझ में आया? Anything else guys? If you are having any other doubt, please do let me know so I can help you out with those particular one. Done? Anything else guys? If you are having any other doubt, and one thing, like just say sir mentioned about the concept things and all, so what you can do, just watch the videos and all, and if you are specifically facing some issues with any areas and all, do mention into the comment section. So whenever we'll plan the next session, I'll cover those particular areas. I'll come up with multiple number of question around those things, and we can discuss. I can come up with the short notes also, so that you will be having some sort of clarity around that particular thing. All right guys, so this is it from my side. Thank you for joining this session, thank you for watching this session, and we'll be continuing these particular classes every day at 9 p.m. So you have to be there and do participate in the practice things and all. But before this, the prerequisite is, as I said, commerce and accountancy, costing, company law. All these three subjects will require concept clarity. Just do work on your concept. Okay? So concept is utmost priority for all of us. Just work on those particular areas. Once you're done, these type of practice will definitely help you, and will make sure you will get good number of questions or good quality of questions so that you can prepare well. All right. So this is it.